Hello friends, this is Rajneesh Chadha and I have over 30 years of experience in IT, primarily in the domain of program execution. I'm here with my brand new video which talks about the storming phase in any of the assignments or programs. As we all know, there are basically 4 stages which a program goes through, and that's forming, storming, norming, performing. I don't like storming at all. I'm sure nobody does. So how do you get rid of this storming phase? The storming phase you can definitely sail through by the use of the framework of excellence. Now, what is this framework of excellence? It's got basically 5 pillars. The first pillar is the strategic focus that you need to have for the program. Strategic focus is devising a strategy from all the perspectives for the program and having definitely mitigation and contingency for all those aspects for which you have prepared this strategy. So have a strategy focused right from the beginning and don't leave it till you get a sign-off for the program from the client. So that's the first pillar that you have. Second pillar is operational focus. You know, having a strategy but not operationalizing it does not help at all. So there should be a very acute operational focus on the program as to how will teams be formed, where will you have people coming in, what technologies you will use, how you will get tools and different things for these technologies, where your team would be based out of, whether it's going to be a single location or multi-location program. All these things are operational aspects that one must look into. And these again must be thought through with a mitigation and contingency plan, because anything not working will need to be taken care of. That's the second pillar. Third pillar is ethical focus. You should do everything that falls within the framework of ethical requirement of the program, organization, society, moral, whatever. There should not be anything that should be done or targeted in a program that can even be thought of, even shadow of unethical aspect. So please focus on this ethical aspect in a very acute manner. That's the third pillar of the excellence. Fourth pillar of excellence is empathy. Very important. You know, no program is done by machines. It's all done by people, and people do people's work. So whether it's your own team, whether it's client, whether it's senior management, whether it's vendors, whether it's subcontractors, please have empathy for everybody. If you have empathy for everybody, you would be able to take decisions which would be right for you and for the party who you are empathizing with. So please focus on empathy as a fourth pillar of excellence for avoiding the storm or the phase of storm. Last pillar is transparency focus. This is again taking into consideration all these pillars. There's nothing to hide from anybody. For strategic things, if you want to hide something from a competitor, that's still understandable. But hiding anything from client or from senior management or for team is not a good practice to do. I've seen many of the leaders, they keep the actual go live date from the teams and they stretch it by putting this go live date maybe approximately 2 weeks, 3 weeks or a month before. What this does is, when the actual go live date comes, team thinks that they don't have time, but then this manager comes out and says, oh, you know what, we have time. The trust quotient goes low. So this should never be done. Transparency in all the aspects of program should be shared or should be practiced with all the team members, and this will give you a strength of trust quotient with everybody who's involved. So these are 5 pillars of excellence which I think if you practice will ensure that you don't get into that storming phase of the program or the crisis phase. If you like this video, go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you get my videos first as they are posted on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.